to look for, to look for, gushaka. Examples: I'm looking for my keys. I'm looking for my keys. Ndimo gushaka imfunguzo zanjye. She's looking for a new job. She's looking for a new job. She's looking for a new job. Arimo gushaka akazi gashya. Look for your bag. Look for your bag. Shaka igikapu cyawe. He looked for his phone. He looked for his phone everywhere. He looked for his phone everywhere. Yashatse telefone ye ahantu hose, cyangwa se yashakiye telefone ye ahantu hose. To come back. To come back, kugaruka. Come back home early. Come back home early. Ugaruke mu rugo kare. She came back yesterday. She came back yesterday. Yagarutse ejo hashize. I will come back soon. I will come back soon. Nzagaruka vuba. He came back after work. He came back after work. Yagarutse nyuma y'akazi. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uyu munsi wa none tugiye kwiga phrasal verbs zitandukanye. Harimo to take off, to put on, to switch off, to switch on, ndetse n'izindi zitandukanye. Niba ukeneye kwigura kuri bw'Icyongereza, twandikire kuri WhatsApp number ubona muri screen yawe. Take off. Take off. Kwiyambura imyenda cyangwa se gukuramo imyambaro. Inshinga ishobora nanone gusobanura guhaguruka kw'indege. Examples: take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. Iyambure inkweto zawe. He took off his jacket. He took off his jacket. Yiyambuye ikoti rye. Please take off your hat. Please take off your hat. Ndakwinginze yambura ingofero yawe. The plane took off at 8 a.m. The plane took off at 8 a.m. Indege yagurutse saa 2 za mu gitondo. Put on. Put on. Kwambara imyenda cyangwa se gushyiraho. Examples: put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Ambara inkweto zawe. She put on her jacket. She put on her jacket. Yambaye ikoti rye. Put on your coat. It is cold. Put on your coat. It is cold. Ambara ikoti ryawe, harakonje. He put on his glasses. He put on his glasses. Yambaye amadarubindi ye. Switch off. Switch off. Kuzimya. Switch off the light. Switch off the light. Simya itara. Please switch off the TV. Please switch off the TV. Ndakwinginze simya televiziyo. He switched off his phone. He switched off his phone. Yazimije telefoni ye. Don't forget to switch off the computer. Don't forget to switch off the computer. Ntiwibagirwe kuzimya mudasobwa. Switch on. Switch on. Gucana cyangwa se gufungura. Examples: switch on the light. Switch on the light. Chana itara. Please switch on the TV. Ndakwinginze fungura televiziyo. She switched on the computer. She switched on the computer. yafunguye mudasobwa. He switched on the fan. He switched on the fan. Yacanye vandarateri. Get up. Get up. Kuva mu buriri cyangwa se kubyuka. I get up at 6 every morning. Cyangwa se ukavuga uti I get up at 6 every morning. Buri gitondo mbyuka saa 12. Get up and wash your face. Get up and wash your face. Byuka maze woge mu maso. She got up early today. She got up early today. Uyu munsi yabyutse kare. She gets up before everyone else. She gets up before everyone else. Abyuka mbere y'abandi bose. Sit down. Sit down. Kwicara. Please sit down. Ndakwinginze icara. He sat down next to me. He sat down next to me. Yicaye iruhande rwanjye. Sit down and relax. Sit down and relax. Icara uruhuke. She sat down on the chair. She sat down on the chair. Yicaye ku ntebe. Stand up. Stand up. Guhagarara. Please stand up. Please stand up. Ndakwinginze haguruka. He stood up quickly. He stood up quickly. Yahagurutse vuba. Stand up and come here. Stand up and come here. Haguruka uze hano. She stood up when the teacher entered. She stood up when the teacher entered. Yahagurutse igihe mwarimu yinjiraga. Turn on. Turn on. Gucana cyangwa se gufungura. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Cana itara. Iyi phrasal verb isa nk'iyo twabonye hejuru ivuga to switch on. Gucana cyangwa se gufungura. Turn on the radio. Turn on the radio. Cana radio. She turned on the TV. She turned on the TV. Yafunguye televiziyo. Please turn on the fan. Please turn on the fan. Ndakwinginze cana vandarateri. Turn off. Turn off. Kuzimya cyangwa se gufunga. Nayo twabonye indi isa nayo hejuru. Turn off the light. Simya itara. Turn off the light. Simya itara. Turn off the water. Funga amazi. Turn off the water. Funga amazi. He turned off the TV. He turned off the TV. Yazimije televiziyo. Please turn off your phone. Please turn off your phone. Ndakwinginze zimya telefoni yawe. Wake up. Wake up. Kubyuka cyangwa se guhaguruka. I wake up at 6 every day. I wake up at 6 every day. Mbyuka saa 12 buri munsi. Wake up. We are late. Wake up. We are late. Byuka. Twakererewe. She woke up during the night. She woke up during the night. Yakangutse nijoro cyangwa se mwijoro. He wakes up early every morning. He wakes up early every morning. Abyuka kare buri gitondo. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share and comment.